How to remove the Renault Captur window regulator. We will start by removing the covers where the door open handle is, and then the cover right underneath the door pull handle, and then the cover which is towards the front of the door panel. There is another Torx screw. Remove all of these Torx screws. I believe these two were T30 and the other one was a T20. We'll remove this Torx screw when you open the door on the door panel to the side, and underneath there's another two Torx screws that we also need to remove. For the next part, use plastic tools. Do not use flathead metal screwdrivers, as you can damage the door panel or the door itself. Use plastic tools and you can get in between the door and the door panel. You do not have to use this tool. You can go in there with your fingers and pull the bottom out first, as it's only held on by clips on the inside. This clip remover makes it much more easier. Keep in mind, even with the clip remover, these clips can break. And just pull the bottom out first for the door panel. And then what you'll need to do is slide it upwards to detach the door panel from the window seal as it slides down. Next, we can detach the door open handle cable. And then we'll also need to unplug the window switch. And just one tip when refitting the door panel, this makes it much more easier. What you want to do is you want to make sure that the clips are on the door panel itself. These white ones over here, like this is perfect. As you can see, that one's broken. If there's any left on the door, get them and put them onto the door panel, as it makes refitting much easier. And this is how you remove the Renault Captur door panel. Now, to remove the soundproof cover, just cut the adhesive glue that holds the cover in place like this. I won't be showing you the whole thing. And then what we'll need to do is unplug first. And then the idea is we need to bring this window down to a position either manually, or it's stuck, or if it barely moves, you need to bring it down. Okay. You can bring it down by cutting the wire if that's fluffy, or the window probably comes down anyway. And it needs to be in this position over here. So you can remove these two screws. What we are doing is we're going to be detaching the window from the window regulator. And this is why we need to bring the window down. And then when we bring the window down and remove the screws, we need to lift it upwards all the way to the top in position. And then you're going to sticky tape this window to the top while you completely remove the window regulator. So we will go ahead and remove all of these bolts, these 10mm nuts and bolts that hold the window regulator onto the door. And then once you remove these bolts, you remove the window regulator, refit the new one, bring the window down, put those two screws back on and put everything back on. That's how you remove and change the window regulator. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.